this with us.
I know. What have we ever done to them?
They're supposed to be our seniors. They're supposed to be our role models.
What do we do now?
We are in a very big problem.
Exactly. Do you think we have to tell this to the teacher?
Yeah, I think you're right. We should tell this to our teacher.
Bullying is the major issue students are facing. There are many reasons why students bully each other. Sometimes they want to prove themselves as a powerful person, or they are into demand, or they just want to get popularity among the group.
Ma'am, we want to talk to you.
What happened? You all are so upset, so depressed.
Ma'am, actually we have been bullied.
Is it? Do one thing, go to the counselor. I'll speak to the counselor and please give me the name of those students. Write it on a slip of paper and we will deal with it. Please do not be worried at all. Okay?
The person who is getting bullied should also be told how to overcome from the feeling of rejection and from all the negative feelings, and also how to stand for themselves.
What happened? I heard you're getting bullied.
Ma'am, actually there's some seniors who are bullying us. Like he tried pushing me into the swimming pool.
Why do you do that?
Come, sit here. You're fine, Nansa. Oh, it's fine. And he pushed me hard to the ground and I hurt myself badly.
Shit. Well, did that pain? So I'm not so sorry for that. You dumbass.
And they poured one more bottle of water on me. Mom, they're pulling my hair in the bus.
Ow!
The husband is coming onto my head.
It means they are physically bullying you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ignorance to a certain extent is good, but after that you have to find some solution to it, right? Okay, I can introduce you to some of the students of our school who are into self-defense, and they are instructors. So they can instruct you and help you so that in future if something like this happens, you can save yourselves.
This training helps you defend yourself in case of emergency situations. Today I'm going to teach you kicks. Okay, this is called the thrust kick.
As a self-defense instructor, I have trained a lot of people who are the victims of bullying, and I have noticed a lot of changes in them. By learning self-defense, they can get a lot of confidence to face the school life and also the outside world.
So we are going to start with slow punches, 1 count, middle, stomach level punches. 1, 2, 3. We are the students who have taken part in the self-defense training.
And this has made us more confident in our daily lives.
Because of this technique, we can roam around freely without the fear of anybody bullying us, and we also know how to handle the situation.
It becomes the duty of the counselor to empathetically make the students understand that the act that they're doing is not right, as it hits the self-esteem of a child and feelings also. You have heard that you people are bullying others?
Yes, ma'am.
What makes you to bully others?
Ma'am, actually...
Yes, feel comfortable. Please speak out.
No, actually, when we were juniors, ma'am, we used to get bullied by our seniors, so now we are taking our revenge on our smaller ones.
So you feel that you are taking revenge with them by this?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever thought that what feeling they are going through? No? Can we give a little thought to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, we all apologize for our mistakes which we have committed. Please forgive us.
We won't repeat that again. The way I pushed you to the swimming pool, pushed you to the ground and pulled your hair. I'm really sorry for that.
I mean, I won't pour water again on your head. Very sorry for that.
We accept your apology. Please do not repeat your mistakes again.
Be good.
After the counseling, I've realized my mistake and I've stopped bullying other girls and boys and my younger ones. So I recommend other people also to stop bullying.
Bullying is not advisable for us. It just hurts our juniors, which we can't bear.
Let's forget the past and play like friends.
My child was being, bullied in the school. So it is to really put him off, and he hardly used to like coming to the school. But after the counseling session, I see a major change. Somewhere I feel like he has got that, courage to come to the school, face the children. So it has really helped a lot.
When we got bullied, we were in depression and we were mentally upset.
We couldn't concentrate on our studies and it affected us a lot.
When we told our teachers, they took us to the counselors, and the counselors suggested us to go to take the self-defense training, which was very helpful.
After the training, now we are very confident and we can stand up for ourselves, not only in school but also outside.